Okay, let's go.
Okay, for my next video, I'd like to do one on Samsung's new feature. And I'm going to have two phones here, so I'm trying to do this as best as possible. Samsung just came out with a new update, doing it behind the camera, and it's an update that will take advantage of the Samsung phone, and I have an Apple 14 Plus here on AirDrop. So we can now AirDrop to one another from the Apple to the Samsung or vice versa. So let me show you how to get that set up first. So we want to go into our AirDrop. Well, this is called AirDrop QuickShare. I'm sorry. So this is QuickShare on the Android. And you want to scroll down and you want to have share with Apple devices. Okay. So that's the setting with this. Then, in order to receive, you want to go into the QuickShare and go into settings, and you want to do it for everyone for 10 minutes. Okay, so it has to say everyone and 10 minutes. So now this phone is set. The Apple, let's get it under here, and we have our little friend Otto in the phone, in the video. Say hi Otto and goodbye Otto. Okay, for this we want to go into AirDrop. Sorry, I can't always do this. I have to do it behind the screen sometimes. So you want to go into AirDrop, turn on AirDrop, and everyone for 10 minutes again. Okay, now here's what we're going to do. I'm going to send a file from my Apple to my Samsung. So let's go into the photos and videos. We'll get our little friend Otto here, and we're going to do AirDrop. And you usually have to bump them for it to work. Okay, Galaxy S25 Ultra. So we're going to send it on the S25 Ultra. We're going to accept it. And there he is. From an Apple phone to a Samsung phone. Vice versa is the same way. There's no real sense in going over that because it's exactly the same. I'm going to go to Share. I guess I'll show you. And we'll go to QuickShare. And that's my tablet, which is this. I don't want, there we go. There's the iPhone 14. We're going to do that. We go on the Apple phone, accept. And there he is. So, I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.